This video is dedicated to help you remove the online scam that is related to the site Sobid.live. Sobid.live is a malicious site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. Sobid.live tries to make users really scared about the situation with their computers in order to force them into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted programs. If you see these pop-ups by Sobid.live, do not tolerate them. Just leave this deceptive page. Now, I also recommend that you carefully examine your system with the help of reliable antivirus software, for instance with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on this official page combocleaner.com. Download the application and it will help you to effectively identify and eliminate all other threats from your computer. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.